Okay, guys, so we are going to make the stew Gilbaka. So we already fried the fish.
That's good enough oil for you?
Yep, that's enough.
Or you want a little bit more oil?
No, that's fine. That's good oil. So we're gonna saute our green herbs, such as onion, so we got some white onions going, celery, tomatoes, scallions or green onions, and some chili peppers, otherwise known as bird peppers. We're using olive oil to cook this thing. Trying to stay on the healthy side.
Trying not to use too much oil too.
Yeah.
I'll throw just a little bit more oil in here. And this is going with brown rice. Is it
Uncle Ben whole grain brown rice.
Yeah.
We want to add some, we're going to cook this stew with some potatoes. Let that cook up for a little bit. Add a little bit of tomato paste. We'll add more later if needed.
I think that should be good enough.
Oh, it smells good, guys. Let us know in the description section, in the comment section, how you make your stew fish, because that's what we're making today, stew fish. So. On top of that, I'm gonna add some thyme, some fresh minced thyme, and some basil. Flavor it up. Now we'll add some water so the water can cook the potatoes. Too much, we'll add more if needed. So that a stir.
Smells so good.
Yeah. Maybe
It
we
looks
should
delicious.
we should just add a little bit more
Yeah, so you can cook.
because the potato is gonna need to be cooked and get soft. And then later we'll be back to add the fish.
Yeah, I like fish too with a lot of gravy too. And this is
This
the
is our
fish.
fried fish.
Yep.
The fried Gilbaka that we fried earlier. Alright guys, that looks yummalicious. So we're just gonna add some freshly cut garlic. As you know, garlic flavors everything. Stew, curry, fries.
Yep. It smells really, really good,
Yep.
man.
We're gonna let it.
Stew always smells good.
Yeah,
You want to cover it now?
yeah.
Alright, go ahead, cover it.
We'll let it cook for a few more minutes and then we'll be back to put the fish in to further cook the stew.
Yep. So guys, we're frying some Gilbaka here. This is a Gilbaka that we're going to stew.
Gilbaka is a fish that's found in Guyana, South America. Not sure if other countries have it, but this is one of the Guyanese people favorite fish to make. It's a little bit on the spendy side or price, you know, it's expensive. So today we're gonna make some stew, Gilbaka. So we're gonna fry it first to make the stew.
Just a few pieces. I'm not sure if they have it in Sweden. I'm pretty sure
Or
they have
Asia.
it. Yeah. I'm
Not
pretty
sure if they have it in Asia.
Yeah. I know they have it in South America.
Yeah.
I think Asia have a different kind of pepper.
Maybe it's the same type of fish in India or China or so on, but it's called by a different name. But the Guyanese people call it Gilbaka.
The goldfish, it's yellow. We season it. What was you putting in season?
So I seasoned the fish with black pepper, salt, onion powder, garlic powder, sazon, thyme, fresh thyme.
We'll be back when we start cooking, doing the stew. We got a few more pieces to fry up. That should be looking good there. You're gonna add the fish now?
So we're gonna add our fried fish. We didn't cook too many pieces today.
Well, it's just for me and you alone.
Yeah.
That's a nice stew.
Yeah.
With lots of gravy.
Can I have this, good sir? Okay. So we're gonna add some black pepper on top of that. Some crushed pepper seeds, crushed red pepper seeds. Okay. And we're just gonna let that simmer. We're just gonna let that simmer on low to medium heat.
For a few minutes, right?
Yep. Okay. So check our stew fish out. Guys, we fried our fish without any coating it with any flour. So alright, so we're gonna add some salt, paste, and this stew smells amazing.
Are you gonna add your pepper inside? Those whole pepper?
Yeah. So
we're gonna add 4 whole pepper.
we're gonna add some chili pepper, some whole chili peppers, otherwise known as burnt pepper. Potatoes are boiled nice and soft. Okay.
And so that's the end of our stew, right?
That's the end of our stew. Probably gonna let it simmer down for another 5 minutes and it'll be ready to serve. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate the support. If you haven't subscribed to Cooking and Traveling with Vish and Nalini, please do subscribe. We appreciate every subscription and thanks for your support.